everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're out here getting ready to take a second chance here at milling up this big chestnut log. Got the ladder already screwed down, leveled it out side to side this time. We got our gas mix ready to go. Just filled up the Holzfforma G888. This is a 48-inch mill by Holzfforma as well, along with their bar and chain. Chain's super sharp. Cut myself on it the other night, just a little bit. But yeah, I think we're good to go. We're gonna set this baby up, see if we can get our first decent slab off here. Gonna set up, give you guys a couple camera angles, and see what we can do today. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, turn on those YouTube notifications so you guys don't miss future uploads. And let's get started. All right, guys, finally a nice cut. So that's the bottom side. This was face down to here. Pretty neat. Had the ants, the grubs, bugs chewing it up and stuff. Little pocket there. You can see where they were in here living at one time. The only thing really coming out now are grubs. I think that might have been ants at one time, but like I said, there's no ants in there now. It's all just pretty much dirt, sawdust, and rotten wood. Not really dirt, it looks like dirt, it's just rotten wood, but it's pretty cool. Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I know this is a totally different setting, right? No sawdust, clean, crazy. Listen, I wanted to take a minute to share a couple things with you guys that I am taking daily that I think you could all benefit from. I really, really do. So listen, I'm gonna be pushing 40. I am pushing 40. Who am I kidding, right? And I wake up with those aches, pains, creaks, cracks, right? You guys see wielding chainsaws, doing carvings, milling, moving big slabs, things like that. And you wake up with those aches and pains. I'm sure a lot of you do as well. Listen, there is this stuff, and it's called collagen. And I've been taking that for about a year now, and I'll tell you what, it is life-changing. This is the stuff I'm taking right here. It's called Modere. It's by a company called Modere. This is Modere Sport. This fuels physical and mental performance, promotes healthy tendons, joints, muscles, ligaments, and boosts muscle recovery, right? So after those long days, moving carvings, wielding chainsaws and all that kind of stuff, I can wake up in the morning, I still feel great. I don't have a lot of muscle fatigue. I'm not creaking and cracking and popping. And I just decided, you know, I really needed to start sharing this with you guys. I didn't believe in this stuff in the beginning. I really didn't. My wife was taking it and taking some other products that Modere offers, and we've recently started to sell it. And I said, you know what? I really need to promote this to those of you that watch, follow, and subscribe to my channel, because a lot of you do a lot of physical stuff, and you know, this would be very, very beneficial for you. You know, in our 20s, we start slowing down the production of collagen. When I look at it, collagen is basically the lubricant in our joints, right? It's the stuff that keeps us going, keeps us from creaking and popping. And as we get older, eventually we stop creating that collagen. Our body makes it no more. And so now we have to supplement it. Once you start using it and you start supplementing the collagen you're no longer making, and you start taking something like the Modere Sport, it really is. I know I already said it. It really can change the way you feel. It just changes a lot. It's awesome. It really is. And I love it. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Now listen, stick with me because I'm going to share a code with you guys. It'll be popping up here. And if it doesn't, you guys will be able to find it right down in the description below. That code will give you guys $10 off on your first order, all right? But first, before you guys go, I also wanted to share with you Modere's Focus Plus. This has been life-changing. This is something I just started more recently. I've only been taking this for about a month or two at most, and I'll tell you what, I'm the kind of guy that has 10, 15, 20 different projects going on all at once. And then I'll get a custom order in, and I really need to focus on it, be intense, put all my heart and soul into it, and just, you know, just focus, tunnel vision, and get that job done. In the past, it's been hard because I want to work on all these other things while doing that project for a customer. But when I take Focus Plus, I'll tell you what, it helps me hone in, helps me focus on the work that's at hand, all the little details, knock it out of the park, and keep going on with my day. This is a really great product as well. Now, in that link, I'm going to share with you guys the Modere Sport, and I'm going to try to share the Focus Plus. Hopefully, you guys will go check that out. I really think you could all benefit from it. Again, guys, check out that code. It's going to take you guys right there to Modere. Using our code, you get $10 off your first order. And hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you for your time. I'll see you guys later. You guys can see that. That looks wild. What a gnarly piece. So guys, figured I'd give you a close-up. I already got that one slab off. Camera's died. Struggling with the mill again today. Probably get probably 2 more pieces that are going to split in half, because I think that's going to split in half down there. And this little piece the saw's on is actually separated. So the last one I ended up with 3 pieces. I already threw them in the truck. That little piece, those 2 stacked, and this big long one. This alone's probably like 100 pounds easily. It's like 3 inches thick. These things are wet and they are heavy, I'll tell you what. Hey guys, just getting ready to set up here for another day of milling on the Chestnut. This has been over the course of a few days. We had some rain last night. It's really making the grain pop, so I just wanted to share that with you guys so you could just see what this wood looks like when it, basically the colors you'd get when it's finished. Some really pretty stuff. Lots of unique features in these pieces due to that center getting chewed out by bugs and rotting away. Now this is all solid in here. This is really solid stuff. Get over here, you got some wormy spots. It's still really solid wood though. Really solid wood. This isn't. This is a little mucky, but you can see where the low spots are. Hopefully we'll get another 3, maybe 4 slabs out of the chunk that's left. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, guys. I really do appreciate it. We're just over 16,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can reach 30,000 before this year is over. Really do appreciate you guys. So let's keep making some sawdust. All right guys, you just saw me load up this fella. This is heavy. It is heavy. I was trying to push it up in the bed just now to get it up a little farther, but she ain't moving. That's a heavy one. So this is the underside of that. This is gonna be a beautiful piece, beautiful piece. A little bit of rot there, which is okay, because everything around the voids or the rot spots is actually solid wood. So that's awesome, but check out these marks in the grain. Really cool. It's all solid. See the different flame and striations in here. This is going to be absolutely gorgeous to finish this piece. About 10 foot wide from the edge over. It's probably about 34 roughly. Down here, this piece is kind of busted off from when they felled the tree. So this whole spot here had broke off, but that's all right. Still a beautiful piece. Okay, so there's a guy over here working behind me with a small skidder. I'm going to see if he could pick up this end, and maybe I could stuff this chunk of wood underneath there, or maybe we can move it over a little bit. I'm getting real low to the ground, and I think I'm going to be able to get 2 more good cuts at 3 inches. 1, 2, and then whatever the bottom is, it is. But it'd be great to get 2 pieces looking like this. That would be absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna see if I can get that to work out. I probably won't have it on camera just because some people are camera shy, but hopefully we'll get this thing up off the ground and finish up. All right guys, so I asked if they'd help me move this. We're gonna move it over to here. I'm gonna keep them off camera, so we're gonna do a magic trick just like this. Boom, there she is. Up a little bit higher so we can try to finish these cuts. I already sharpened the saw. I'm trying to sharpen the saw with every slab. It could actually be sharpened every 2/3 of the way down, but we make it through. I gotta fill her up, set you guys up, and keep going. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Really do appreciate it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. When you do, hit that bell, hit all. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think of this wood, and thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Let's keep going. All right guys, so I got 2 loaded. They're just heavy and big, so basically I get 2 in the truck, I go drop them off, and I come back. Now I'm thinking after I unload those 2 and come back, I'm gonna get 2 more slabs out of this plus another piece on the bottom, and that'll be it for this log. But this is what the top of the next one's gonna look like. Super cool. Stuff's looking awesome. Look at this. It's just like some really gnarly looking grain in there. Really, really cool stuff. That's like mud from the tree rotting over the years. It just turns to mud. These grains here though, super cool stuff. Whew. Well, that took way longer than it should have. The fun of doing something new and working through your mistakes and learning how to do certain things, you know? That's the cost you pay, I guess, when you're going through it. Anyway, this is that log, this stack and that stack, right? So that lower one's like 2 3/4. The rest of these are at about 3 inches thick. These guys are at 3 inches thick. Oh, except for the second one from the top there. That one's a little bit thinner too. This big boy was on the bottom of the log, which I don't know if I got on camera. I know everybody's gonna say it's a burl, it's a burl. It might very well be a burl. It might also be a branch, where a branch was years ago that got trimmed and then it healed over. That's what this looks like. This looks more like a burl spot with the way it comes up here and there's no piece protruding where a branch would have been, where like this looks like it could have been a branch that was trimmed and healed over. Who knows though? These things are gonna sit though. I've got to get some tin over here and I'll like build it up just a little bit and slap some tin on it, or I'll move this, probably throw some tin on. But now I'm just rambling, guys. It's been a long day today getting this stuff done. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed these videos. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. When you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell and hit all. All right, and after you guys do all that, make sure YouTube notifications are on, okay? We are in the average percentile of everybody that's done that. The channel is growing because you guys are doing that. It tells the YouTube algorithm that people enjoy these videos, watch these videos, and so they should share it to other people to watch and enjoy. So give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. I really do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you to all my members who, you know, buy me coffee and things like that monthly. You guys rock. As far as carving goes, I'm still going to be chainsaw carving, all right, guys? Just this week has been milling and working on this big chestnut tree. I am thinking about doing some Zoom classes this summer, just one-on-one, not with groups, just one-on-one, going over basics. I know a lot of stuff that's in the videos, but I've got feedback from people that might be interested still in a one-on-one class kind of setting. So thinking about putting that together. But yeah. Time to go take my Modere, my Sport, my collagen. That way I can wake up tomorrow refreshed and start running some chainsaws. Listen, I hope you guys have an awesome Easter. Enjoy your family time, and I'll see you guys later.